Hi, everyone. It's Lisa Dittmar with Dittmar Fitness and Health, and I have something that I want to talk to all the ladies out there that are peri and postmenopausal. And if you're not, just please keep on scrolling. But I want to do a 3-day workshop because I think that people maybe don't understand what I do as a health coach. And so I want to give you a little peek inside and at the same time, talk about a renovation on your life while you're going through menopause. I was trying to think of a name for it this morning, and I started thinking about when the kids move out, and you think, oh, I want to start cooking a little bit more, and you go into your kitchen and you need appliances upgraded, and it would be great to have a new coat of paint on the walls or new cabinets or whatever to make it more exciting to be in there and cooking and living your little life, right? And then so it's like a renovation. You want to do a renovation on your kitchen? I want to do a renovation on my life. It's like a menopause renovation, like a menovation. That's kind of cool the way that works out. Okay, so anyway, it's 3 days. I want to cover how you should be exercising at this point in your life. All levels are covered. I want to talk about how you should be eating these days, fueling your body for those workouts. And that doesn't include eating cookie dough out of the tube. You know who I'm talking to. And then thirdly, about how to add yourself to your list of people that you're taking care of. So it doesn't mean you're going to say, I'm done with y'all, I'm going to focus on myself. It just means I need to fill my cup so that I can help you fill yours too. So those are the things that we're going to discuss. 30 minutes, that's all, 3 times. It'll be recorded. You can come back and watch it anytime. I've never done a workshop like this before, so that's exciting to me that I can learn something new, and hopefully it'll all work out for you too. I would love for you to please comment or DM me the word me so that I know that you're interested, and then I can get you all the information. So that's all the information I have right now, just what it's going to be about, and I have to go do some homework and figure out how to do it, and then it'll be launched. All right, so okay, let me know what you think. Join me, please. Complimentary 3 days workshop, Renovation. Awesome. Okay, love you. Bye.